Well, hello, Thunder fans. We're having weather today. How exciting! Tricky here from Tricky Bee Weather or Not. In the background, you can hear thunder, maybe, over me talking. We're having a thunderstorm with actual rain today, though so far it's just started raining about 5 minutes ago. It's just getting things a little bit wet. We've been having really large rainstorms. Is this pointing at me, Max?
Yes.
Okay.
I can see you at the screen.
We've been having really large rainstorms the last couple of days. We've had 2 in 2 days. And, there's been flooding. Not here, because we live up on a hill. But, some flooding in the areas that have had the forest fires. Apparently, the forest fire mats everything down into charcoal, and then the water doesn't penetrate into the ground, and it just runs off into the river. And the river's running black, which we can't see.
Why is the river running black?
It's all the charred remains of the forest fire.
Yeah.
It's starting to come down much harder now.
Smash through the pumps.
You can see all the rain splashing off the pond there.
You can also see it from the driveway.
I don't know if you can see it from the driveway.
You can see it on the driveway. See? Look.
Yeah, you can see it on the driveway. You're right. Look at that. We're having rain. That's fantastic. There's a lot of flags out there in the yard marking the utilities because they're taking down our trees on Wednesday. All right. We love the rain. The lawn's been dying. We got all these brown spots. It's now our 3rd day of rain. Good job.
Whoa.
Hey, Max. Say hi.
Hi. I think. Yeah.
Tell everybody how you're the new crew.
I am.
You're getting a chance to shoot a weather video. Okay, here we go. You take the camera back. Okay, there's Rufus out here hanging out on the front porch with me, watching the rain. This is Tricky Bee from Tricky Bee Weather or Not, your best source in blog-worthy weather observations. Signing off.